don't argue with your code. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So we're going to do a real quick video today. So if you're like me, you're here. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So what in the world do I mean, don't argue with your code? And I'm guilty of this as well. I'll write something. The output will not be what I'm expecting. And the way our brains are wired is it goes, it's wrong. No, your code is doing exactly what it's supposed to. Very rarely is there a bug found in Python. They are found, but the things that you're writing and I are writing, they are not going to be a bug. So don't spend the time arguing and going, this should work, even though I think I said that yesterday several times. So spend time on the process and the order of operations and dig down to the problem. Find the root cause. Make sure you have the proper path, the happy path that you're expecting. And what I mean by the happy path, if I have not used that term yet, is which is the way that the order of operations is going to go through your instructions. Find that, work on that, and then expand into the edge cases, the more complicated cases. Spend the time getting the 95% working. So like I said, real quick video today. Make sure you're jumping down and joining the Discord down below to get all the help that you need and deserve. And if you just want to drop a comment, thanks for doing that. Ask for any help, any video requests, please do that as well. Make sure you're hitting that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. We're doing live streams all the time these days, trying to get built up and ready for interviews. We're doing SQL, we're talking about tables, we're doing Python, we're talking about data engineering, we're talking about everything. So please jump in, please ask a question, because if you have that question, someone else has that question as well. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.